girl in there at the moment.
Alright. Is she just...
That proves it. I've got to look at it because they seem to have lost boat speed this weekend. I don't know why.
Who's doing it in the race, her or someone else?
No, there's the girl in for the second. The girl who normally does it. She's had a doctor's appointment this morning or something. She had to attend, so she couldn't get down here for this. So this girl subbing to Cox. But she's back in the second session after the doctor's appointment.
It's been good fun on that boat.
Enjoy that.
Yeah, thanks.
Slightly harder, Maria. Drop out slightly lighter, Simon. No, stroke. Release, stroke, release. Release, stroke. 2 row on. 2 row on. That's gravel down there. That's way down. The welly fall.
Are you filming?
Yeah.